I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Good morning, guys. Caden's awake and he's being grumpy. I like your haircut.
Uh-oh.
What is down there?
Uh-oh.
Your soother?
Uh-oh.
Do you want to go to school?
Oh.
You want out?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you tell them what you did?
Mm-hmm.
You spilled water all over your bed last night? Mm-hmm. Yep, you watered. You're a naughty boy. He is extremely grumpy already. But yeah, we got our air conditioner. It's under this thing. Right there. Somebody has to come hook it up for us, but I also got my ring out of my candle last night, and I was so impatient. I had to dig through it, but I will show you it. It is awesome. But yes. So this is my ring. If it would focus. So this is the ring. It's got diamonds all over the side and over this side. A diamond in the middle. It is worth $70. I checked last night. Hey! Can't deal with this kid. He is just driving me nuts. But I'm getting ready to go to my school because for one last time, because I have to pick up the pictures that my teacher took, and she printed them on when we had prom, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just getting ready. I really need a shower, but I can't have a shower right now or I'll be late. But yeah, that kid's driving me completely nuts, so yeah, I have to go right now. Hey guys, so we are at the park, and it's hard to push this buggy with one hand through the grass, but yeah, we decided to go to the park. We went to my school and got the pictures a while ago, and then came home, and then we had our air conditioning installed, so the house is now cool because yeah, we really needed that air conditioner. It was really hot out there. So sorry I'm out of breath. It's kind of really hot and pushing a stroller. So we're just going to the park, and Caden's gonna have lots of fun. Do you want out? Yeah. You want out? Oh. Okay. No, you can keep your hat on. No, put your hat on. It's hot.
No. Mama.
Go play.
No.
I don't see a ball, honey. Okay, go play at the park. Run. Get out of the mud. He's off. So I'm standing under this tree, and there's bugs everywhere, and I don't like it, but there's shade, so. But I see Dan walking. He decided to come, I guess. I told him I didn't want him to come because he's being a jerk to me. And yes, apparently he moved back in, but that was the biggest mistake I've ever made in my entire life. He made it seem like he changed and all this stuff, but he's exactly the same, and I should have known that, and now I don't know what to do. I gotta kick him out again and not let him back this time, because I've learned my lesson. I have. But yeah, he's coming, and I don't know why he's coming, because he didn't even want to come in the first place. But Caden's over there trying to ride those little red horses. I don't even think he can see with that hat on. But I'm gonna go over there and play with him. Stop. I think he's falling asleep. Hey guys, so we put Caden to bed after his bath, but this bad boy right there. It's loud, but it's worth it. I'm gonna have a shower and clean my beautiful hair. I really like it curled. But yeah. Caden's in bed sleeping, and I'm going to edit. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna edit Monday, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays vlog because I'm behind, and I'm sure you guys are wondering where the vlog is. But I will see you guys tomorrow, and just know that when I don't upload a video on time, it doesn't mean that I'm not filming. I'm still filming, so I will see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.
Chelsea Roberts.